of entourage thank Senator Barbara and Piggy and his team for mobilizing what I call most youthful crowd I have seen. Yes, sir! This is what they call those who matter in election day. Yes, sir. Ty, you have done us well. We are very happy with you. Let me say clearly that I have no regret supporting Senator Barbada Piggy. When you were saying something now that somebody said, I was going to support him for governor. Can there be two governors? No! It's not one governor. One! Look at the governor I'm supporting. Now so, if anybody comes to tell any story, tell the person you are not ready to get away. This is our governor. Now so, this is the man that's going to succeed me. So I'm not going to support any other person other than him. So don't listen to those bogey. Ordinarily, we shouldn't have come here for rally or campaign because I know what Baripigi and his team, what they can do. Yes, so I'm sure we cannot have anything less than 90% of the votes that come from local government. Now, you know, I made a promise, and let me say, the incoming governor will complete it. I have just 2 days ago awarded the hospital I promised here before. Do you remember? Yes, sir. And that one of those schools that I don't know what's the name, Korobatai. I just awarded that school. That one I finished before I go. But the hospital will finish by the incoming governor. You know, PDP State is the only party. I don't know what they are doing in Abuja. But we were members of PDP Rivers State. And we will do what will be for the interest of Rivers State. Anybody who has no interest about Rivers State, we too will not have interest. In politics is, if you do for me, I do for you. If you love me, I love you. If you fall for me, I fall for you. If you hate me, I hate you. If you push me, I push you. You see, now this thing I cause wahala. What did I do when they want to kill me? I said, he don't take. Give this one, this one, not so. Now so, leave and let leave. I do anything bad? No. They will kill me? No way. And I agree them to kill me? No way. And I will protect me? Yes, sir. You will defend our vote? Yes, sir. Stay there? Yes, sir. Make sure the votes are counted. And then we will use our PVC. Prepare them. Yes, we can prepare them.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.